just waking up again. Like, this is the third time I'm waking up. My cat gave birth to 3 kittens, so triplets. So now I am a grandmother. Not a grandmother, I'm a great grandmother. You know, easy. If you could know how much nagging I made hair just to remove this thing off my hair. It took me not just 1, 2, or 3 minutes to remove it. I don't know how the stylist did it, but the stylist did a really good job concerning this. So guys, welcome to my maintenance vlog. Today is all about my hair maintenance, nail maintenance, lashes refill, and feet maintenance. So my stylist wasn't around and I needed to get my hair done instantly because my hair was so bad. My hair was so dirty and it was itching so really bad. So I decided any salon in my area because I have never ever made my hair in this area before. I have never done it. So when I got to the bus stop, someone directed me to the salon, and obviously they had one behind me and I didn't know. So I got to the salon and it was giving the vibe because I saw the stylist already installing 2 hairs for 2 women. I was like, okay, no problems. But I had to get food on my way because I was so freaking hungry and it was morning. Yeah, so I told them what I wanted. I told the stylist what I wanted. I want my hair laid and the style I want. And it was like, alright, no problem. So they had to clean out the gum from my last hair I did. They took me to another shop to get my hair washed. Isn't that stressful? Why would you have to take your clients to another shop to get their hair washed? I was like, no problem, but I literally just have to get my hair done today, and I really need it to be done today. So when we finished washing the hair and they took me in to blow dry my hair, even the girl who blow dried my hair almost removed my head from my neck. While we was at this, I saw the glue that the stylist was using to install the hair of his client. I was like, no, I can't do this. This cannot work for me because that glue is not strong at all. So I was directed to the other shop. I already passed when I was coming to that shop. So when I got to the shop, we agreed on the price and we kept on with the hair. And while doing that, I told the stylist what I wanted and she pissed me off. She cut my hair into 2. Imagine. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know what to say. I was so pissed that I almost dragged the hair off my head. I had to exercise patience. So we spoke about it. She said she spoke her word, but she never apologized about it. But I had no problem because I'm no longer going to that salon. It was only because my stylist was near around. That is why I had to go to the salon. So while our teacher was asking me that I have to buy pin for them to roll my hair, I was like, bro, why do I literally have to buy pin for you to roll my hair? You're a stylist. You're supposed to have the pin to use to keep my hair standing while rolling. And she was like, madam will not even do this, that. I said that, no, I'm not taking my hair along with me like that though. You have to drop the hair before I leave. And she was like, okay, but she has to find a way to get it done. By the grace of God, we got my hair done. My hair was looking okay, but let me tell you the truth, when I got home, where she actually cut into 2 was not really good at all. So now we're moving forward to I going to the salon. I actually do get my hair done, to get my nails, my pedicure, and my lashes refill done. So this salon is literally one of the best salons in Shangotedo. If you stay around Shangotedo, Nova Signature is literally one of the best salons in Shangotedo at the moment that I know. They have a really good customer service. They care about you, they care about your feelings, they care about everything, and that is what they call a salon, or place to relax. So before getting there, I had to stop by to get food because I was really hungry, very hungry. I got there, we were gisting about my hair, and I thought I was up because I and the manager, we became friends. So we were gisting about my hair. I thought I was up. She was like, that I should have come over. She would have helped me to do it by herself. I was like, don't worry, next time I would come, so you sort everything out by 7. She was like, okay, then but and she apologized about last time what three of our stylists did to me last time. Why they were making so much noise by making my hair. I was like, no problem. So let's go to this guy. I have never ever made my nails from this guy before. Never ever. But he did a really good job. He asks about so many things. He wants to know this. He also did my pedicure. He did my pedicure, and it was so gentle. It was very gentle. I've had my pedicure done in several shops, but let me tell you the truth. They were so hard on your feet, but he was so gentle. He asked his questions to be sure that you're okay, you're not feeling pains, and know the kind of file you have to use on your feet. If your feet is hard, if your feet is soft, if you have the soft texture of it, you get what I'm saying? Yeah, so we did my nails. I had my chocolate drink. I had a great time. He gave me a very good feet massage. Then we went to complete my nails, and bro, if I tell you that my nails was good, yes, it was good. Guess what? It was already past their closing time, but the lash tech had to wait for me so I can get my lash done before leaving. So I had to moisturize my lips. My lips was already getting dry, and I don't like it dry. I like it wet and sticky. So guys, I got my nails done. He was doing my feet at this moment, getting my feet done for me. Then while I finished, I moved on to the lash technician, and we've been friends. Funny enough, I've been a really good customer. She got my lashes done. She was so gentle, and guess what? She is so fast. So that's all, and that's how I left. So thank you so much guys for watching my vlog. See you guys on my next vlog. Good night. Ciao. Mwah.
A little different than all the rest. I'm quite old-fashioned, wear a hat.